Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This video has only been out a couple hours. This is part 2. And somebody asked, well, what if you didn't want a top and you did all this work and you want to make another box? Well, first of all, just get rid of the top. So here's your bottom. Now, if we put it together in this order, we just need to get rid of the tabs. But if we still want it to be 5 by 5 inches, here's what I would do. I would work on, so this is the female, this is the male. I'm going to take these away just to make it a little easier. And I'm going to, there's a couple of ways you could do this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to select those interior nodes and I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to select all these nodes and hit delete. There's our top. Then just do the same thing on here. You can actually probably maybe delete all these at the same time. And there's your top of your male. And then you have these. Just hit the plus key on the keyboard and move that over. Now you're not going to have a top, so this is going to fit in the bottom, but it's still, you still got a 5 by 5 box. And this is going to be a little bit bigger because it's got 5 1/4 because it's the 1/8 inch going that direction. So these are going to all fit together like this. And this is your side joint. And then this is your bottom joint, like it'll fit. See, that's the male or the female version. Get right on that node. So that'll fit there. Make a duplicate, rotate it 90 degrees. And there's your, whoop, I expanded it, don't do that. Get your 4-sided cross and have it snap to there. So, and you need just one of these and 4 of those. So without a top. Hope that answered this question and thank you for watching.